Welcome to the world of Etsy. Whether you're a creative maker, vintage collector, or craft supply seller, this is the perfect place to turn your passion into profit. If you're a beginner, getting started can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'll walk you through the most important tips and tricks for starting your Etsy shop, and I'll save the best tip for last, so stick around. First things first, let's set up your shop. Head over to Etsy.com and click on Sell on Etsy. Follow the prompts to create your account, choose a shop name, and set your preferences. Remember, your shop name is your brand, so pick something that reflects your style and niche. And don't stress, it's possible to change your name later if needed. Pro tip, keep your shop name short, easy to spell, and memorable to help customers find you easily. Next, not every product will sell well on Etsy, so it's crucial to research your niche. Spend some time looking at successful shops similar to your ideas. What's trending? What do their photos, descriptions, and reviews look like? This research will give you insight into what works and what doesn't. Pro tip: check out Etsy's Trending Now section for hot products and tailor your shop to meet demand. Next, your photos are your first impression, so make them count. Use natural light or invest in a light box for clear, professional-looking images. Take pictures from multiple angles and don't forget to include scale references to help customers visualize your product size. Pro tip: add a lifestyle photo, show your product in use. For example, if you sell mugs, show one with coffee next to a cozy book setup. Next, your product descriptions should do more than just list features. They need to tell a story. Include details like size, materials, and how the product will make your customer's life better. Use keywords to help your listing show up in searches. Pro tip: think like your customer. What questions might they ask? Answer those in your description. Next, pricing can be tricky. You'll want to cover costs, time, and Etsy fees while staying competitive. As for shipping, offer a mix of options and consider free shipping for smaller items. It's a big draw for buyers. Pro tip: Etsy has a pricing calculator tool to ensure you're not underselling your work. Next, once your shop is live, promote it. Use social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Create engaging posts, reels, and pins that highlight your brand. Etsy also offers ad tools to boost your listings. Pro tip: collaborate with influencers in your niche for more visibility. Next, providing excellent customer service is key to getting positive reviews and repeat buyers. Respond to questions promptly, address issues professionally, and always strive for a great experience. Pro tip: thank your customers with a handwritten note or small freebie. It goes a long way in building loyalty. Next, this is very important. Use Etsy's analytics to track your shop's performance. This tool shows you what's working and what's not, from popular listings to traffic sources. Adjust your keywords, pricing, and promotions based on these insights to grow your sales. Pro tip: don't just set it and forget it. Constantly tweak your listings based on data to stay competitive. And there you have it, your beginner's guide to Etsy. From setting up your shop to mastering customer service, these tips will help you hit the ground running. Remember, success on Etsy takes time and effort, but with persistence and creativity, you'll turn your passion into profit. What are you excited to sell on Etsy? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips and tricks. Happy selling!